Baby, I miss you so much. Oh, we love you. See you soon, okay? Bye. I'm already getting myself lost. My directions are screaming at me. Turn left, turn left, turn left. Hi, I'm Denise, and last week, Bella, Rita, and I explored Crater Lake with some friends. This week, I say a tearful goodbye to the caravan because I'm heading south. I have some spots along the coast that I'm so excited to venture to. Stay tuned because we're reuniting with someone very special. I wonder who it could be. So I'm gonna get changed in something different, and I'm gonna make some food. By the time Reed sees this, his birthday will have passed, so I'm actually okay saying this. I have been messaging all our friends and asking them to create a birthday video for Reed. I'm going to compile everyone's videos and make him one big happy birthday message. Let's go! Beach, the sun. This is my happy place. Honestly, I'm really happy for this time by myself. We've been with people for the last 6 weeks, if not longer, and I just need some me time, you know? It's gonna be good. We have to go, unfortunately, because I need to find where I'm sleeping tonight. I don't want to leave. Bella doesn't want to leave, but we have to. Come on, Bella. Rita, where are you going? This is where I'm sleeping. I didn't drive as far as I thought I was going to. I thought I was gonna get another hour on the road, and I didn't want to miss sunset. So I just decided, why not? I'll just get a few more hours on the road tomorrow. And I just really like this area. It feels good to me. So I'm just gonna stay here. And the animals really like it too. This life is just so interesting. You don't know where you'll end up. And I think a lot of people don't understand why or how someone could possibly live this way, not knowing exactly where you're gonna be and all of the things that feel like instability. But there's nothing more peaceful than finding a camp spot like this. I get to see all these amazing places that I might not have seen ever in my whole lifetime, and I've seen them in the over a year and a half that we've been on the road. That's why I do this. That's why Reed and I do this life, because it humbles you, it teaches you, it makes you so grateful and thankful for what you have, and it gives you moments like these. I'm wiped out from today. It's been a lot of driving. It's time for us to all go to sleep. Good night. Good morning. I was gonna wake Bella up and bring her, but how could I possibly wake that sweet girl up? You wanna come with me? Looks like the whole family's coming. Let's go. What a way to start the morning. I think we're gonna turn back. Rita hates the water, and this is a little much for her, but I'm so proud of her on this hike. She did an amazing job. This is an epic view. It's unbelievable. So that hike didn't go exactly as I expected. Bella loved it. Rita loved the forested part, but she hated the water. We are gonna go somewhere where I can make some breakfast. So I had to make one more pit stop because Anouk recommended that I come here to Natural Bridges. It really is gorgeous. So I thought that I was just going to check out the viewpoint, but there's a path that you can literally cross over the bridge, and I really want to do it. I'm gonna be right there. The view from any one of these vantage points is unbelievable. Oregon, I'm obsessed with you. The Oregon coast is unreal. A really big part of the reason that Reed and I make these videos is because we want to look back on all this. I want to look back and feel empowered, be able to share these moments with people we love and with you all. And I think it's a really cool thing about us building this community is that you get to come along with us, and then we get to keep these memories forever. Does that make sense to anyone? Let's keep going. Wow, no one's up here. There she is. I am going to be passing into California in 20 minutes. I did not realize I was that close to California quite yet, and it's hard to say goodbye to a place that we've called home for 2 months. Look who is my passenger. So I guess I'm officially in California. We just went through a checkpoint and they just asked me a few questions, and then my phone says, "Welcome to California." There was no sign, nothing else to indicate that we were crossing over into California, but here we are. I'm out of Oregon. I want to go back. This drive through the Redwoods is hands down one of my favorite drives that we have ever done in the van. I remember being awestruck last year when we did this drive. We didn't get to go all the way down up the 101 because we went over to Sequoia National Park and we went inland a little more. And I've been driving along the coast, and I'm actually going to continue along the coast all the way down to San Francisco. And this is a huge highlight of the drive. I absolutely love the Redwoods, the immensity of these trees. It's breathtaking. This is incredible. I could stay here all day long, but we have to keep going because I have, I think, 2.5 more hours on the road, and I want to get there for sunset. It's somewhere that our friend Becky recommended. You all know how hard it is for me to leave places like this. Ugh! Sand is black. I wish I could put into words what that drive was like. It was literally us driving along the coast, and you look out and it looks like there's clouds. Just as far as I can see, it looks like clouds. I think it's fog. And then you get over here and the sand is black. I'm literally sitting in black sand, and it's just moody. It's so moody. It's like we're in a dream right now. This doesn't even seem real. I've never seen anything like this though. Good morning, everyone. I last left you last night on the beach on the Lost Coast with that beautiful black sand, those cotton candy clouds, and that bubblegum pink sky that was absolutely gorgeous. And then it got dark. The fog started to roll in. It definitely started to have an eerie vibe to it. And I thought that I was gonna sleep on one of the pullouts that was right there. Just decided against it. But I ended up just driving towards Mendocino and finding a little town, I think Redmond or something like that, Redway. I just stealth camped in town, ended up sleeping there, and everything was fine. Let me tell you, at one point, I was going up a dirt road. It was so steep, and the van's wheels could not get any traction, and I was like, I'm not gonna make it up this hill. I'm not gonna make it up this hill. Luckily, the van got just enough to make it up the hill. I'm so glad I made it out of there. I've been sitting here for like 3 minutes, and I forgot that in California, people don't pump your gas. Over the last 2 months in Oregon, we always have people pumping our gas. So I've been just sitting here. It's time for me to start getting used to pumping my own gas again. We have officially made it back to the sun and to the beach. Just wanted to get out, stretch my legs, and take in another beautiful coastal view, this time on the California coast. Onward! I still have 2.5 hours to go, but I decided that I was going to pull over and stop in some redwood trees because they're gorgeous, and I think Belle and Rita would do good with a little time outside so we all can stretch for the final part of our journey. That was actually really scary. Go on. As you all know by now, Rita goes at her own pace, and she's gonna make sure you know that she's not doing it because you told her to. But she always comes. Good girl.
I love you more. I can't wait to see you. It's gonna be less than 24 hours till I finally see your face.
Yay!
I can't wait to see you. Bella and Rita, I'm gonna squeeze them so tight.
Yeah, they miss you a lot. I just got off the phone with Reed. I'm just so excited that we are still gonna get to celebrate his birthday together. Next time you see me, hopefully I will be at the Golden Gate Bridge. Bye. I can't remember the last time that I was this excited to come to a really big city. What a journey. Thank y'all for being with me during this journey. Just knowing I got to talk to you every day helped me feel less alone. I appreciate y'all being here. I'll see you in the morning, all right? Bye. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's not morning at all anymore. It's actually 5:15. I'm on my way to pick up Reed from the airport. Sorry I didn't check in with you earlier today, but things got crazy. I had a lot to do to prepare for Reed's birthday. I got him some pastries at this bakery I think he'll really like, and now we're going to get him.
Use the second from the left lane to turn slightly left onto domestic terminals arrivals level.
Guess who's here, Bella?
Hey, Bella.
Bella!
Oh, is your ear hurt? Oh, I missed you. I missed you. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Who else you gotta say hello to?
Huh? Did you miss me? You look sleepy.
So it's not easy to hide stuff in a small space like this, but I'm hiding the pastries that I got Reed. Look, he literally is back and he just is cleaning immediately.